Hey guys, how's it going? How to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So first of all, go ahead and make sure that your iPhone is compatible to add or to have the version over 15, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to my general, then go ahead to not the iPhone storage, go ahead to the software update, make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version above 15 minimum. So after I checked that my iPhone is compatible, I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my App Store, Google Play, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to pin down NFC, right? And then basically I'm gonna type NFC tools, sorry. And then basically I'm gonna download the app, and it's not gonna take you a minute. Go ahead and open up the app, and then basically click right here to read, and then basically scan the NFC tag. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.